Assalamualaikum class 10 students. Assalamualaikum students. We have to start lung cancer and bad effects of smoking. So today we will discuss about page number 14 and 15. Okay, beta, I have told you about your page number 14 and 15. Okay, this is about lung cancer. What is a lung cancer? So keep in your mind, we have studied in class 9 division of cell, mitosis and meiosis. We have studied there are two different types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Okay, so in mitosis, when there is abnormal growth of the cells is happened in the body, that can cause of tumor. Okay, so when there is uncontrolled division of cell in the body, that is called lung cancer. Okay, so what is a lung cancer? It is a disease of uncontrolled cell division in the tissues of the lungs. Okay, so when lung cancer is affected by a person, at that time the tissues are broken down inside the lungs. Okay, due to the uncontrolled division of cells in the lungs. Okay, and uncontrolled division of cells in the lungs can cause of lung cancer. Can cause of lung cancer. Okay, and next one is that lung cancer. Okay, so what are the symptoms of lung cancer? The symptoms of lung cancer are shortness of breath, cough with blood, weight loss. Okay, so shortness of breath, a person feels difficult to breathe in and out, and when he cough, okay, the blood comes out with his cough, and its weight began to loss. Okay, so these symptoms are given in your book. You can also see uh, here are symptoms are given. Okay, you can see shortness of breath, coughing including coughing up blood, and weight loss. Okay, so these are the symptoms of lung cancer. Okay, now we will discuss what are the main causes of cancer. Okay, so main causes of cancer uh, can be um, can be smoking, can be any viral infection, and can be ionizing radiation. Okay, so these can be the causes of lung cancer. You can also see the main causes of any cancer include carcinogens. Okay, and there is another cause. Okay, due to if a lung cancer is due to smoke, so 50 known carcinogens are present in a tobacco smoke, and one carcinogen is also can damage the lungs. So 50 are present in the tobacco smoke. So the main causes of lung cancer are, it can be any viral infection. Okay, it can be ionizing radiation, and it can be due to smoking. Okay, and keep in your mind, 50 carcinogens are present in tobacco smoke, and they can damage the lungs. And the lifespan of a smoker becomes 15 years less as compared to those person who is a non-smoker. Okay, so in simple words we can say a non-smoker can survive 15 years more than a smoker person. Okay, so the lifespan of no smoker person becomes less 15 years, and non-smokers. Now, if we talk about the non-smokers, so non-smokers are of two types. One are active smokers, which inhale tobacco smoke by himself, and there are other passive smokers, those who are not indulged in smoking, but they survive in that environment where are other people are habitual to smoking. Okay, so the persons who are the persons who are surviving in that environment where is that is a smoky environment, so they can inhale that smoke in their lungs, and they can also have lung cancer. Okay, but actually they are not taking they are not doing smoking directly. Actually they are inhaling smoke by their environment. Okay, so such smokers are called passive smokers. Okay, now WHO have calculate the different calculations, and they told us that millions of people died due to smoking. Okay, so eliminating tobacco smoking is a primary goal in the prevention of lung cancer. So if we want to prevent lung cancer, we should avoid the smoking. The World Health Organization, WHO, has called the governments to stop tobacco advertising to prevent young people from taking up smoking. Okay, so the WHO have taken a step and stopped the governments of different countries to stop the advertisement of smoking on the social media. Okay, now see the side boxes which are given in your book. This is your first box. Lung cancer is the most common cause of cancer related deaths and is responsible for more than 1.3 million deaths worldwide annually. So you have to underline for your objective that 1.3 million people died worldwide annually due to smoking. Now come to the second box. This second box is given. If a person stops smoking, the chance to develop cancer decreases as damage to the lung is repaired and contaminant particles are gradually removed. So if a person is doing smoking, but after some years it stops the smoking, then these harmful particles will remove from his lung and his tissues will be repaired. Okay, so this was the introduction of lung cancer, and it is actually due to the uncontrolled division of cells in the body. Okay, and this is happened due to if there is any error in mitosis. Okay, and error in mitosis means uncontrolled division of cell in a specific organ. Okay, so it can cause of lung cancer, and we can also see it tumors. Okay, now the next topic we will discuss, that is bad effects of smoking. If we said that smoking can cause of lung cancer, but it has also many other um, bad effects. So what are these? Now we will discuss what are these. So first is that smoking is harmful due to chemicals in cigarette and smoke. So keep in your mind 4,000 different chemicals are present in the tobacco smoke. You have to underline in your book. This is given 4,000 different chemicals are present in the tobacco smoke, out of which at least 50 are carcinogens. Out of which at least 50 are carcinogens and many are poisonous. We also know this thing that cigarette smoke, tobacco smoke consists of different harmful elements. Among them, we also know about nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, and carcinogens. Okay, so carcinogens, among 4,000 different chemicals, 50 are carcinogens, and these carcinogens can damage the lung tissues badly. Okay, so some people think that lung cancer is only, now we will discuss the bad effects of smoking. The first is given, some people think about that lung cancer is can cause only tobacco smoke. It is a disease, it is only smoking related disease, and it is the number one cause of death among smokers. But this is not right. Okay, but this is not right. What is the reason? Cigarette smoke affects the body from head to toe. Keep in your mind, always cigarette smoke can damage a person head to toe. And definitely smokers have a much higher risk of developing a number of life-threatening diseases. So smokers have much higher risk of developing a number of life-threatening diseases. Okay, they can they can caught by many life-threatening diseases. Now we will see the side box. What is a nicotine? Nicotine is a powerful poison and was widely used as an insecticide in the past. When inhaled through tobacco smoking, it reaches our circulatory system and not only harden the walls of the arteries but also damage the brain tissues. So you, after uh, observing this information, you can see nicotine is a powerful poison. Okay, so not only it damage the tissues in our circulatory system where there is our blood moves in our body, but actually it also damage the brain tissues. Okay, so it make the walls harden, the make the walls of arteries harden, and hardens of the arteries, and but also damage the brain tissues. Okay, so this is very alarming position and very critical position. Now come to the next box, second box. According to the WHO means World Health Organization, the rates of smoking have declined in the developed world. In the developing world, however, it is rising by 3.4% per year as of 2002 survey. Okay, so they are saying that in developing countries, the ratio of smoking is raising day by day 3.4% per year as survey of 2002. Given in 2002, a survey was done and find the percentage of smokers. Then they gave us a calculation that it is rising by 3.4% per year as of 2002 survey. So keep in your mind that this is very alarming position. So we should have to tell our young people far away from smoking. We should stop advertisement on social media. We should control our children at our home that they should not take part in smoking. Okay, so the first bad effect of smoking is that people think about that this is just smoking related disease, but this is not right, because cigarette smoking can affect a person from head to toe. Okay, so smokers have a much higher risk of developing a number of life-threatening disease. Okay, now come to the next page. Yes, you can see there is another page. Okay, Betty. Now we will discuss another bad effect of smoking. But before that, see this box. The World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on the 31st of May every year. Okay, so every year on 31st May, the world celebrate No Tobacco Day. Okay, so in last page, I have told you that smoking can affect a person head to toe. So due to that, many other diseases a person can be affected. So smokers may be also led to the cancers in kidneys. Okay, they not only have cancer of lungs, but they can also caught by cancer of kidneys, oral cavity. Definitely smoke travel through our oral cavity, larynx. It passes to your respiratory system, larynx, your breast, bladder, and pancreas. Okay, so these are also parts of our human body which can affect by smoking. So this was second bad effect. Now we will discuss the third part. Many chemicals in tobacco smoke damage the air passageway, which leads to emphysema and other respiratory disorder. Emphysema we also discussed in our last chapter. Emphysema is a destruction of walls of alveoli. And where are alveoli present? They are present in the lungs. Okay, at the end of the lungs, inner side of the lung, there are air sacs are present. Actually, gases exchange happen in these areas. Okay, so when these walls will be damaged, so the whole lung will be filled by mucus and fluid. So it can damage the lung tissues. Then a person cannot survive. Okay, so keep in your mind the other effect of smoking is that it can damage the air passageway, which leads to emphysema and other respiratory disorders. Now come to another bad effect. Smoking also has effect on the circulatory system. We all know circulatory system means that how blood moves in our body. Okay. Okay, how blood moves in our body. How blood moves in our body. So answer is very simple. The carbon monoxide present in tobacco smoke lessens the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. We all of know in our blood we have blood cells, and all blood cells have a chemical which is called hemoglobin, and the function of hemoglobin is that it carry oxygen on itself. Okay, so when a person is addicted to smoking, and when this smoking goes in his body and enters into the blood, so due to that, a harmful substance, carbon monoxide, present in tobacco smoke also enters into the blood. Okay, and it lessens the oxygen carrying capacity. Okay, lessens means decrease, and it decrease the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. Okay, so it decrease the capacity of oxygen present on hemoglobin, and definitely our body needs a lot of oxygen. Without oxygen we cannot survive. So when oxygen will be decreased in the blood, what will be happen? Many other chemicals in smoke increases the production of blood platelets. Okay, so other chemicals which are present in smoke, they will increase the production of blood increase the production of blood platelets. And definitely we also discussed in chapter number 9, class 9 bio, in bio book, that our blood composition of blood, that our blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Okay, so normal number of platelets are important for our body. They attack against our germs, but if their production increase, okay, if the production of blood platelets is increased, it can cause of smoking. So smoking can increase the production of blood platelets, and it reduces the capacity of oxygen on hemoglobin. So when platelets are more than the normal numbers, they make the blood viscous. So when number of platelets are increased from normal, then they made the blood viscous. Viscous means they make the blood thick, and it can lead to arteriosclerosis. Okay, arteriosclerosis. So it is a disease in which the walls of arteries become harder. They become harder. So you can see how many bad effects of smoking. Okay, if a person is addicted to smoking, it directly affect on the circulatory system. So in circulatory system, when carbon monoxide becomes the part of the blood, it reduces the oxygen on hemoglobin, and it also increase the number of platelets. And if number of platelets are increased in the blood, it can lead to atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis means the blood becomes viscous and the walls of the arteries becomes hard. So blood will not flow properly and our whole body cannot get oxygen properly. Okay, so that is a bad effect of smoking. Now there is another effect of bad effect of smoking. Smokers are at greater risk of developing infection, particularly in the lungs. For example, smoking increases the risk of tuberculosis by 2 to 4 times and of pneumonia of 4 times. Okay, so there are other risks of a person. If a person is a smoker, so it can caught by tuberculosis. In short form, we say a TB and pneumonia. Okay, by 2 or 4 times. In tuberculosis, also lungs are affected, and a person have a cough with sputum. Okay, and its weight is going to be lost, and it can also damage the lungs, and due to that, a person cannot survive. Okay, so keep in your mind, smoking is not a good for health. It is bad in every way. Okay. And the next, another effect of smoking is also responsible for weakening and staining the teeth. Weakening and staining the teeth. Weakening means teeth going to weak, and staining means they becomes yellow. Okay, so this is another bad effect of smoking. So tooth loss is 2 to 3 times higher in smoker than in non-smokers. Okay, so non-smokers have less rate of tooth loss as compared to smoker. Their percentage is 2 to 3 times more than non-smokers. So we have discussed 4 to 5 bad effects of smoking. First, we have discussed it affect head to toe. So it is just not a disease of um, uh, uh, lung cancer. Okay, smoking related cancer. Okay, so it had to do, and in another effect we have discussed that it can cause of not only lung cancer but also cancer of kidneys, oral cavity, larynx, breast, bladder, and pancreas. Okay, and then it directly affect on the air passageway, so who leads to emphysema and other respiratory disorders. Smoking has another bad effect which can directly affect on circulatory system. How this is possible? When carbon monoxide becomes the part of the blood, enters into the blood, it makes the blood viscous, okay, and it makes the walls of artery harder, and it increase the number of platelets. Okay, so due to increase the number of platelets, a blood becomes viscous. It becomes thick. So it can also affect a person. And the other important thing is that the people who are addicted, okay, who cannot live without smoking, they are at high risk of developing other infections, like they can caught by TB, they can caught by pneumonia. And smoking is also responsible for weakening and staining the teeth. Okay, and the tooth loss ratio is 2 to 3% is more than a non-smoker persons. Okay, now we will discuss these boxes which is given. Non-smokers who are exposed to second-hand smoke, passive smoke at home or at work increases their heart disease risk by 25 to 30% and their lung cancer risk by 20 to 30%. In last page, I have told you smokers can be of two types: active smoker and passive smoker. Active smokers are those who do smoking by themselves, and active and non and passive smoker are those who do not do the smoking but they inhale the smoke by their environment. So these persons are at the risk of heart disease 25 to 30% and lung cancer by 20 to 30%. Now come to another box, and this is second box. Smoking also affect the social life of a person. Smokers may face social unacceptance because other people may not want to be exposed to others. Okay, so they also have social issues. Okay, people do not want to meet them. Okay, and they avoid them due to their smoking. So now your chapter has been ended. Now I will give you the review of your chapter. In this chapter, we have discussed about, we have started from gases exchange, okay, what is difference between cellular respiration and breathing. Then I have told you gases exchange in plants, how they exchange their gases. They can exchange their gases through stomata, through lenticels, and through their lenticels, and through and aquatic plants release in gases in and out through water. Okay, then next we have discussed about the human respiratory system, in which we discuss the air passageway. Then air enters through our nostrils, then nasal cavity, then comes to oral cavity, then pharynx, larynx, glottis, epiglottis, and then uh, trachea and bronchioles and alveoli. Okay, we have discussed in a detail. After air passageway, we have discussed about the mechanism of breathing, how we breathe in and out, and I have told you the difference between two. Okay, what is happen in inhalation and what is happening in exhalation. After that, we discuss our new topic, that was respiratory disorders, in which we first of all we had discussed about the bronchitis, then we discuss about the emphysema, then pneumonia and asthma. And the last topic which I have discussed with you, that was a lung cancer. Okay, and I told you its causes, its symptoms, and its prevention. And the last topic was bad effects of smoking, that how can be affected by smoking. Okay, so we should all keep in our mind that smoking is not good in not good for healthy person. So we should avoid smoking, and we should stop other people who are doing smoking, or who are addicted to smoking. So smoking is a very bad thing. It doesn't affect not only your lungs, but it can affect your air passage, then oral cavity, larynx, breast, bladder, kidneys. So we should avoid the smoking. I hope you understand today's lecture. So in next lecture, inshallah, we will do the exercise of this chapter, and I also explained you that which questions you have to write in your registers. Okay, which long questions you have to write and which short questions you have to write in your registers. So I hope you understand it. Now your lecture has been ended. If you have any issue, if you want to anything, you can ask. Ji Javeria, what do you want to ask?
नो टीचर, मैंने बस कहना था कि मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आज करने के नहीं।
नहीं बेटे, आज नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि टाइम इज शॉर्ट, जस्ट 3 मिनट्स आर लेफ्ट। ठीक है, तो
ओके टीचर।
इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करेंगे। वैसे आपको ये समझ आया सारा?
यस टीचर।
तो आप सिर्फ एक काम किया करो, जब आप ये लेक्चर ले लेते हो ना, आपकी क्लासेस ऑफ हो जाती हैं, तो उस दिन की जो जो लेक्चर आपने लिया होता है ना, उन टॉपिक्स को एक दफा रीडिंग जरूर किया करो, उससे आपको फायदा होगा।
ओके
ठीक है, और मैं आपको जो है, अभी आपका चैप्टर खत्म हो गया, तो इंशाल्लाह आपका जो है नेक्स्ट वीक आपका होमवर्क बनेगा, उसमें मैं फिर आपको जो है इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, ये सब आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी। तो देन यू विल राइट ऑन योर रजिस्टर। इज इट ओके?
ओके टीचर।
ओके, आपने कुछ पूछना तो नहीं है? इज एवरीथिंग ओके?
यस टीचर।
ओके, चलो ठीक है फिर बेटे, ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज।